Welcome back to Cook Brothers Garage. I got another unboxing video. I'll probably put them all together, but as you can tell, Pinky's not here. She's up there helping Mama. So I get to do the video by myself. On this video anyways, I gotta get down here so you can see my face, but that doesn't matter. The unboxing what matters. On this first one was my purchase I done at the same time as that 30 Days Lost in Space Electronics. They had this little mini drone, indoor mini drone that you could put together, solder it and all that. So I bought that. But this took a lot longer. It took an extra 2 weeks than what the other one did to get here. So we'll just see. It's supposed to be that drone anyways. I also ordered batteries, but they didn't say which was which. And it was actually both at the same time. I see batteries. Yay. 4AA battery too, that's for the drone. And a survival crash pack with propellers, extra battery, and USB charging cable. And this is Radio Shack. And as you can tell, pretty nice. Let's open the package here. And you get your directions, got your battery, you got your, it's supposed to be 4 motors, but there's only 3. So 2 motors, white, black wire, counterclockwise, so it must be clockwise. Alright, you got your LEDs, you got your board, got your propellers, actually have another LED, screws, more propellers, the other 3 batteries that rotate clockwise, charging cord, all that good stuff. And you got your case, the outside part of the bottom. But yeah, all the pieces there, they even give you a couple extra motors. But that's from Radio Shack. I'm going to plan on putting that together and play with it. See how good that works. And there's me a bunch of AA batteries from Radio Shack. That's in that box. So finally all that order came through. I guess it took a long enough to find the Radio Shack battery. They had a pretty good deal on those as well. Ours over there. This from Amazon. And I used the free shipping, not the Prime free shipping, I just did regular free shipping. And get the box open here. Yeah, pretty good job taking the box out. It's awful light, so it must be just one thing. And it is. My little magnet. I need a magnet to hold the metal nuts and bolts and nails when I work on stuff. It's a wristband. Coming very handy. I'll have to haul out trash again. As you see, still cold. Still got my coat on. And this box is actually kind of tore up pretty good. And this and that was delivered by FedEx. This right here, the Radio Shack, was delivered by United States Postal Service. As you can tell, this is tore up pretty good. Tape's ripped. You hear stuff sliding around inside. But nothing important. Alright. You got your metal tray with a magnet, so you put your bolts on it working. Comes in handy because every time I lay them down they want to walk off. Nuts and bolts. And I got another one because when I start working on something, Lord have mercy, there's all kinds of nuts and bolts. I like to have different ones. So, like for the heads, you'll have a smaller one. For take the valve covers off, use the smaller one. The bigger one, use the heads. That way you keep your stuff better organized so you put it back together. You can also use these boxes pop your holes in them. You use that for like your valves, your push rods, stuff like that, where you have to have it in order. But now that's trash. And I got this nice one right here. That's a light and a magnet. So it extends over 27 inches. That's good where you can't see stuff. Like down in the engine bay, you gotta have a flashlight and a magnet. Now you just have all in one. There's many times I needed a flashlight and a magnet. Which I got a flashlight, but I saw this and I was like, oh, that's gonna be saving me some time. And then of course I bought me some center drills. If you're a machinist or anything about machinists, you know what that is. And if you don't, this is what it looks like. I'll get it open. Yeah. There we go. They come in different sizes, as you can tell. I'll get the biggest one out and show you. See? What that does is if you're a machinist or whatever, that right there where you get the drill bit started. It drills, and it's mostly used on tailstock on a lathe, where you can get drill the hole there so you can use a rest, or not a rest, but a dead center or a live center to sit there and hold your part so it doesn't wobble. I have a small mini lathe over there, and it's always hard to center stuff because I didn't have these. Well, I did, but they run away. That's what happened. Little parts like this run away, especially around here. That's why I keep everything locked up now. Stuff doesn't run away. And I don't let nobody borrow nothing or come in here and do work unless I'm in here. And I started charging people. You come use my garage, well, I'm going to charge you. And look what happened. My stuff doesn't run away no more. So keep that in mind. So, you got any work? You got your garage? And get paid for it. You bought the stuff. And as you see, this little magnetic, do that like that, closes up, and then the end of it bendable. And just push it all in there. But if you push it all in there, I don't know how you're supposed to get it back out. I'll pull the head up, pops it out. It's pretty neat. I wonder if there's any batteries included. Huh. I got the drop batteries. Drop batteries. Didn't realize they had batteries in there. I thought it was just a plastic thing. Well, let's put the batteries back in there. Alright, it uses these little LR44 batteries, 4 of them. Let's get your little spring. Wonder if it actually turns on. And it does say battery included looking at the bottom. Oh, that's bright. And it's going to be handy here. Put that over here, my magnet stuff and my lights. See, got small, medium magnet pan. Pretty strong magnet. Then of course, you got these trays, and they're taped up pretty good as well. Taped on each corner. Nice shiny. Oh, there's the big magnets on that tray too. That's what I'm talking about. And let's get this last one open. I believe this is the black color. It should be anyways. Oh, that's got a nice plastic coating. plastic coating so I guess you don't scratch stuff. But it's magnet, it's all that matters. Let me open this real quick. And it's a magnetic wristband. See? Well, that's going to be all for this unboxing video. Until next time, I'm the brain, and Pinky's not here. So we'll see you next time.